Hello, friends. So we're practicing ordinal numbers, which is usually what we have in dates. So for today's assignment, you're listening for correct or not correct. I'm going to say it. Write C for correct or N for not correct. For example, number 1, Monday, August 17th. August 17th. I said that correct, so I'm going to type a C. Okay? Number 2, Monday, September 7. I did not say that correct. September 7th. So I wrote an N. Okay? Listen to the others and write N or C. Number 3, Tuesday, September 29. Number 4, Tuesday, September 22nd. Number 5, Wednesday, September 26th. Number 6, Wednesday, September 23. Number 7, Thursday, September 24. Number 8, Thursday, September 10th. Number 5, Friday, September 11. Number 10, Friday, September 25. Number 11, Saturday, September 12th. Number 12, Saturday, September 26th. Number 13, Sunday, September 20. Number 14, Sunday, September 13th. Listen again to check your answers and send it to me. Thank you.